Greetings, bot commanders. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for the cryptocurrency exchange Bitmex and set it up for use in the Pinebot bot commander interface. Now, why do we want to use Bitmex? Well, if you're new to trading cryptocurrency, the answer is margin trading. And if you're new to margin trading, the answer is leverage, because Bitmex provides its users a lot of leverage, up to 100x your position size. Now, I'm not going to get into the ins and outs of margin trading in this video. I'll put that in the next video, and I'll link it here on the screen and in the description. So in this video, we're simply concerned with obtaining a Bitmex account, because Bitmex is one of the best exchanges you can use. So first of all, Bitmex technically doesn't allow customers from the United States. Now, we have heard that you can get to Bitmex if you're in the United States by using a VPN, such as airvpn.org, and access service that way using an IP from, let's say, Europe or Asia. But that's neither here nor there. Of course, we're not recommending that you do this. It's just something I heard. But the point is, just make sure that you're not browsing Bitmex with the United States IP address so that they don't block you. Alright, so assuming that you have an internet connection not in the United States, let's say you're connecting through Europe or Asia, you're ready to sign up. So go ahead and click the Bitmex referral link in the description of this video, or if you see it up on the screen right now, you can click that. And what that's going to do is it's going to give you a 10% discount on your trading fees when you use the exchange. And that's a really big deal, so don't forget to do that. It's really important. And of course, it helps us out too. And then next, you'll want to go to bitmex.com, and you'll just sign up as you would normally sign up anywhere else. And once that's complete, you log into your account. So you can pause this video if you need to right now to sign up, and then log into your account. And the next thing you're going to need to do is, once you're logged in, you'll see at the top of the page there's a link that says account. So you're going to want to click account, and then you're going to want to click API keys on the left. So once you do that, you'll be taken to a section called create an API key. And this is what we're going to use to allow Pinebot to connect to Bitmex and automate the trading. So from the API keys page, fill out the name. This can be anything you want. If you want, just type in Pinebot. Doesn't really matter. Now, the next field, it's labeled CIDR. Now this field, you can just leave that blank. We don't need that. And then for the third field, the key permissions field, you want to make sure that's set to order. Okay, now the next option is called withdrawal. We don't need to check that. Just make sure that it stays unchecked. This is to protect your account, because you don't want an API key to be able to withdraw money from your account. So just leave that unchecked. And then for two-factor authentication, if you have two-factor enabled on your Bitmex account, you're going to want to go ahead and key in your two-factor. And then just go ahead and click Create API Key. So once you do that, Bitmex will generate a new API key for you to use. It'll give you an ID and a secret. The ID is your API key, and the secret is sort of like a password of sorts. Now, what you're going to want to do after that is you're going to want to copy both your API key and your secret. And now we're going to open up the Pinebot bot commander interface, and then go to settings. So there's a settings button on the right. Go ahead and click that. And once you're in there, you're going to want to select Bitmex from the drop-down menu. Okay, now we're gonna copy the ID from Bitmex. That's our API key. And we're just going to paste that into the API key field, the first field on Pinebot. And then we're going to copy the secret, and we're going to paste that in the secret field, the second one. And then we're just going to click test, and it'll go ahead and make sure that your API key is all properly set up and valid. And so long as you get a green light there, you're good to go. Hit save, and now you're ready to use the Pinebot bot commander.